Hey, I'm Fish. I'm out here with the DJI Osmo Action HDR camera. Weather.
It's currently partly cloudy and 18 degrees.
Woo! Baby, 18 degrees and we're ready and rearing to go. I was contacted and went through email, and yeah, I'm going to be making a video again, another tutorial. So I am going to label it Miss You Spin Display, 5D Displayer, and 3D Toy, and probably 5D Utility. And what's going to happen is you're going to see a video, you're going to know how to add an image with Spin Display and 5D Displayer. I have an opportunity to make a purchase if I want on an Insta360 One Ace Pro 2. Yeah, it came about on Amazon. Maybe I'll go check it out at Costco, an Insta360 One X4. Well, I'm gonna hold out for the One X5. Hey boy, yeah. Yeah, I was just confirmed that the One X5 is coming out, as you can hear. I'm holding off for something a little bit different, a MacBook Pro. It's a good one for sure. And maybe I'll get a X4. But the X5 will probably come out when I'm ready for one. Are you ready? Well, soon we're gonna be, spring forward. Yeah, man, coming early this year. So I got my camera for a number of reasons, right? I got it for my wee hour walking. Yeah, it does a great job. What if have I get anything else in, like during daytime shots and riding the bike and going where I want to go? That is an added bonus. DJI, do you ever break protocol? Do you ever talk like a human being? Like you own the camera? That you can share to the world like we all do? I cannot imagine the fall of 2025 that GoPro continues with the 1.19 sensor. I'll be damned. Gotta give my fingertips a rest. Man, they're cold. And yeah, GoPro, if they come out with a 1.13 tall sensor, oh man, I wonder if they'll come out the 360 camera before DJI gets theirs out. But what if DJI comes out with the 360? Are we going to see a Max 2? Finally. Well, maybe a GoPro Hero 4, a DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro HDR camera, and an Insta360 Ace Pro 3. Those are the three leading competitors on the market. Now, which one would you get? I know you're going to say all three. Yeah. But what are you going to give me? Give me. No, that's not issues with the camera. That's just me blowing frost at you. Oh, yeah. Well, you know what I'm doing. I shot in regular video mode. I shot subject tracking. I'm heading off in super night. I like that sky in the background. Is it getting light? It should be brightening up. I'm heading back a little early because I'm a little bit frosty. Like I said, most of my settings, they're set to 4K at 30 frames per second today. And I'm on shutter speed 1/100th or 1/200th for daytime. 8,000 is the max, loaded up with the EV value, probably on 0 EV today. My texture and sharpness is known as -2, with the video noise reduction -1. My color profile was 8-bit the last video or two, and now is 10-bit color. Did I forget something? 2 things, like image scenery, which is stabilization scenery daily, and auto white balance. And you're hearing, yes indeed, a DJI Mic 2 with the wind muff on underneath the clothing. Hopefully not rubbing against the glasses, but maybe the zipper. Well, I had my fun, had my share, had my talk. Gotta go meet Cup of Joe. Oh, Joe is a good friend of mine. He does a great job. And maybe I'll take care of some business later. I know you saw something, and I know you asked the question, but you couldn't find it, and it was right there because you need your support. And if you don't support, you're not gonna find. I think I'm gonna take my leftover wood, maybe build a vertical horizontal row or two. That's what I think I'm gonna do. And maybe I could put some little things on it. 19 degrees and you put laundry out? Does laundry dry? 19-degree weather? And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on many other videos to come. I'm out of here.